Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix create sticker option not showing on your Instagram. Now, before you open your Instagram, you can open Play Store first or the App Store first. Now you can tap search for Instagram. And here we go. This is the Instagram. Make sure your Instagram is up to date. Here there is an update button. You can tap it in order to update your Instagram. So here you have you must update your Instagram. You must keep up to date in order to fix some bugs, and of course fix some issues and add new features on Instagram app. So here last update is December 10, 2024, and this is the version 360.0.0.052.192. So here wait for the update process, wait for the installing process. After that you can open your Instagram, or you can try to clear cache first by hold app icon and go to the application info, tap on storage usage. You can clear cache and you can consider to clear the data. After that you can open your Instagram. Now you can try to create the story, and here you can tap sticker at the top of your screen and find the cutout stickers. Here we go. This is the cutout option now is showing up. So you can tap cutouts and try to find the image that you want to cut out. And here we go. For example, the cutout process is automatically, but you can do it manually after this process is done. And here you can tap on the lamp. For example, you can select manually, tap the lamp or object that you want, wait the process, and here we go. You can use the sticker. Don't forget to save your sticker. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.